Most traders lose money because they're entering and exiting at the wrong price levels. They're buying where institutions are selling and selling where institutions are buying. ProZones by TrendPulse solves this problem. It shows you exactly where smart money is positioned so you can trade with the institutions, not against them. Here's what makes ProZones different. Instead of basic support and resistance lines that everyone can see, ProZones combines 11 institutional-grade zone types into one intelligent system. Supply and demand zones, Fibonacci levels, volume spike areas, liquidity sweeps, anchored volume weighted average price, and more. All calculated automatically, all displayed clearly, all on one chart. Let's start with the foundation, supply and demand zones. These green and red shaded areas show where institutions accumulated or distributed positions. But here's where it gets powerful. Enable the HQ imbalance filter and you'll see bright lines appear on the highest quality zones. These zones formed with long wicks, gaps, volume spikes, or explosive moves, institutional signatures. Focus your trades on zones with bright lines and your win rate will skyrocket. Support zones show key Fibonacci retracement levels within the current trend. These are your pullback entry points and provide great areas to place your stop loss order. When price retraces to the 50% or 61.8 level, that's where you start getting interested. These zones act like magnets and may offer a great buying opportunity. Think of these zones as discount levels. If levels hold, the general trend is likely to continue. Profit targets are Fibonacci extensions that show where trends typically complete or are likely to begin to retrace in price. Target 1 is your first take profit. Target 2, you scale out more. Target 3 is for runners. The target shading gets progressively lighter to show priority. No more guessing when to exit, no more holding too long and giving back gains. ProZones gives you the roadmap using institutional grade tools. The purple or orange line you see is anchored volume weighted average price. It shows the average price institutions paid since the last major swing point. Purple means institutions are positioned long. Orange means they're positioned short. When price is above volume-weighted average price, institutions are in profit. Below volume-weighted average price, they're underwater. Use this for mean reversion trades or to understand who's in control. Ever get stopped out right before price reverses in your favor? It's not uncommon and has happened to every trader, especially around or before a true breakout. That's a liquidity sweep, also called a stop hunt. ProZones catches these in real time while they're actually happening. Price sweeps below a swing low, triggers all the stop losses, then immediately reverses. Instead of being the victim, you enter with the smart money on the reversal. ProZones also includes volume spike zones, marking where big money entered aggressively. Previous day and week highs and lows for breakout context. This is an important feature for those trading in lower time frames. What about round numbers, where traders cluster orders? ProZones has you covered. And intermediate plus anchor levels for different time frame perspectives. The secret to using ProZones is Confluence. Stack multiple zones at the same price level. A demand zone plus a support level plus a round number at $50, that's a fortress. Enter on the bounce, stop just below, target the next supply zone. 3 confirmations equal high probability setups. ProZones adapts to any trading style. Select Scalper mode for tight zones and frequent updates. Swing trader mode for balanced zones and multi-day holds. Or position trader mode for wide zones and major levels only. 1 indicator, 3 optimized modes, 0 guesswork. At TrendPulse, we only design indicators that are innovative, easy to use, and visually appealing. More importantly, they work. Stop chasing price and start positioning where institutions trade. ProZones is available exclusively on TrendSpider. Search ProZones by TrendPulse in the indicator marketplace, add it to your chart, and start trading with clarity. This is how you trade zones, like a pro. Thank you for watching, and be sure to sign up for your free 5-day trial.